cooking class, making paratha pizza. Hey Ruhaan! Looks like Mama and Papa are back from shopping. Hi kids! We got something special for you. Here! Wow! A recipe book? Yes, my dear. It shows how to make yummy dishes step by step. Oh, thank you so much, Mama and Papa. Can we try making something today? Of course, my dear. Let's pick a recipe together. How about paratha pizza? Yay! Sounds yummy! Great! Just press the button and the book will tell you what to do. Have fun, kids! Welcome, little chefs. First thing first, clean hands. Let's all wash our hands before we start cooking. Wash, wash, wash. Now, let us clean the counter. Clean, clean, clean. Let us start by sifting the flour in a bowl. Sift, sift, sift. Next, add water to the flour for kneading it. Who wants to knead it? Me. But what is kneading? Okay. Kneading means pressing and folding the dough to make it soft and smooth. Press, fold. Press, fold. Press and fold. Press and fold. Perfect. Now, let's divide the dough in 4 small balls. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 balls. Next, we roll each ball flat with the rolling pin. Roll, roll, roll. Nice and round. When the parathas are flattened round, we cook them on the hot pan. But kids, be careful. The pan is hot. Now, listen for the sizzle sound. That means it's cooking. Sizzle, sizzle. Yay, the parathas are ready. Let's get the toppings ready. We need to chop the tomatoes, capsicums, and onions. I like chopping. Kids, use the knife carefully. Next, we need the tomato sauce. Let me take it out from the refrigerator. Now, let's stir the tomato sauce in the bowl so it's smooth. Stir, stir, stir. Next, kids, spread the tomato sauce on the cooked paratha with a spoon. Swirl, swirl. Now assemble the chopped veggies. Season it with some salt and black pepper. Wow, it looks so colorful. Now the favorite part. Sprinkle lots of cheese on the top. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Put the topped paratha back on the pan and cover it with the lid. This helps the cheese melt. Listen for the sizzle again. When the cheese melts, it's ready to eat. Wow, Ruhaan, the cheese has melted. Let's take it out on a dish. Yay! Let's cut it with the pizza cutter. Great job, little chefs. Now it's time to enjoy your delicious and healthy paratha pizza. Yay! Happy time!